Hey everyone! What if your car refuses to start in park or neutral? Or worse, your transmission shifts unpredictably while driving. If your car has triggered the P0819 up and down shift switch circuit malfunction code, it means there's an issue with the system that detects gear shifts. Ignoring this could lead to serious shifting failures. In this video, we'll break down what P0819 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where you can find the key sensors to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0819? The P0819 trouble code indicates a problem with the up and down shift switch circuit. This circuit controls how the vehicle detects manual gear selection in automatic or semi-automatic transmissions. If the circuit is malfunctioning, the car may not register gear shifts correctly. Common symptoms of P0819. Gear shifts don't register properly. Delayed or erratic shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, also known as limp mode. Check engine light is on. Car won't start in park or neutral. If these issues sound familiar, let's locate the faulty components. To diagnose P0819, inspect these key components. Up and down shift switch. Location, mounted on the steering wheel for paddle shifters, or inside the gear shifter assembly for manual mode in automatic transmissions. Function, detects upshift downshift commands and sends signals to the transmission control module, transmission range sensor or neutral safety switch. Location, mounted on the transmission housing near the shift linkage. Function, detects the selected gear and ensures the car starts only in park or neutral. Transmission control module. Location, near the transmission or under the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifting based on sensor inputs. Wiring, harness and connectors. Location between the gear selector, TCM, and shift switches. Instrument cluster, behind the speedometer and tachometer, displays the selected gear to the driver. Common causes of P0819, faulty up-down shift switch, worn out or broken. Malfunctioning transmission range sensor vehicle might not recognize gear selections. Damaged wiring or connectors, corroded or broken wires cause signal loss. Defective transmission control module failing TCM misinterprets shift signals. Faulty gear selector assembly damaged internal contacts don't detect shifts properly. How to fix P0819? Step 1. Test the up and down shift switch using a multimeter. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor to verify correct gear detection. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors for loose or damaged connections. Step 4. Scan the transmission control module for additional error codes. Step 5. Test the gear selector assembly. If unresponsive, the shifter may need replacement. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0819 code and verify the issue is resolved. The P0819 trouble code can cause shifting problems that lead to serious transmission issues if left unchecked. By inspecting the shift switches, TRS wiring and TCM, you can diagnose and fix the problem before it worsens. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.